we're going to introduce in version 15 is going to help shape their production, shape their company, and help them move forward.
16 is exciting. Anything moving with the times is exciting for me.
I mean, the AI rendering is going to be huge.
Yeah, it just brings it to another level.
Hey guys, we're excited to be here at the Hettich Experience Centre, where myself and Dave are going to be demoing all new exciting things about version 15 of Mozaik. We have AI rendering coming up and a whole new look of how the software looks and feels. We have a great turnout today, showing off a lot of Hettich's new hardware that we've implemented in our software to showcase to our customers.